Good morning, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm out going to get some awning material to complete the job. And I'm shooting today just with the internal audio of the DJI Osmo action camera, as well as the video of 4K at 30 frames per second. And the sun is from behind getting into the camera. Now that we got all the information of the camera gear I'm using, let's get on with the show. I don't have far to go, so I'm not worried, and I got my MIL lights back on. That's not a good sign. Well, we got traffic, so it'd be another 2-3 minutes. Not a big deal. No rush to get where I need to be at. I've looked at my codes on the car. PO14, PO15, chamber 1, something like that, misfire. And that means I may have to order some spark plugs. NGK, Bosch, and they run about $6 a plug. So $25, they're already pre-capped. And maybe I'll go to Advance Auto or AutoZone or order on Amazon. So let's get to Home Depot, because that's where I'm going to get my supplies. I'm going to look for 6-foot awning pieces versus the 12-foot, and I'm going to get the attachments that go underneath it. They say 6 for $7. I need, I guess, 5 pieces of things. Got a scrap yard over here, and they all dump this scrap. And pretty good. Get some awesome money for someone else's garbage that they throw out. There you go. So let's get into Home Depot. You think that's safe riding your bicycle in the center lane right there? Even that guy there, and look, one smart person out of 3. Not smart at all. I gotta get a wagon, get my stuff. Two nails. That's what I say. Home Depot should be ashamed selling stuff like this. I should be ashamed showing my customer this. Not the way you present your product, Sunpack. So you're going to get a letter from me. Yeah, look at this. Look at all this dust. Even the sticker doesn't stay on. 6 foot, they're not. 8 foot, I had to buy $5 extra. Not good. Not that hard. I could get this in the car. And I could close my trunk now. Just want to be real careful not to break this very delicate thing. I find it amazing that you're in a store. Everything's supposed to be new and supposed to look presentable. Anyway, Home Depot is going to go out of business. Some of the stores are going to close up because of today's times. But at least I got 2 panels, the wrong size. Maybe I should have went back to get the 12-footers and then cut them on the spot. And I'd rather just work with what I got and make do with what I got. So let's go start the project then. Waste any more of YouTube's time. UV protected with this side up. So this one here is going to be the same way because of the label. Sun Tough polycarbonate solar gray, 26 inches by 8 feet. Should be ashamed how Home Depot sells stuff like so. Lucky I got something I could go by. How to put the screws in and not to walk on it. And reading the information. Wood screws. These are the ones they say to use because it's right next to it. And 6, not 4. And I'm going to put these on. I'm going to show you how. I'm not going to bother to cut this. They simply snap in right here. I'm going to let it overhang. And I am going to screw in place. Don't want to make it super tight, just tight enough. Do some measuring. 34 inches or 33 inches. You want a little lip or not? 33 inches, 34 inches. Do 2 lines and 1 in the middle. The job is done. Nicely done, that is. And everything's made in America. That's a good thing. I got all the bolts in. And everything is secured. We're going to wait for the first rainfall to see if it makes any noise. And if it doesn't, it stays up. If it's going to make noise, it's going to come down. So I hope you enjoyed this project and vlogging on how to make an awning. This is going to be put on hold, and we'll just wait for that. Have a great day, and thank you for viewing. Don't forget to rate, comment, and share alike.